Let's count down the 5 most dangerous animals in the USA. Number 5. Moose. Huge, fast, and unpredictable. Stay clear during rut and calving season. Number 4. Bees, wasps, and hornets. Allergic reactions can be fatal. Carry an EpiPen. Number 3. Bears. Make noise, secure your food, and never, ever run. Number 2. Venomous snakes. Watch your step and use a flashlight at night. And number 1. Deer. They cause more road deaths than any predator. Drive cautiously at dawn and dusk. Respect wildlife, prepare smart, and stay safe.